Hello guys, this is guyXD, and today I'm gonna be playing Deal Within part 3. I think it is. I think it's part 3. I already played this, but the thing was that my camera ran empty on battery. I had forgot to charge it. So I have to do all of this stuff with this episode with another cam that I have. Sorry about that. I hope it won't be too shitty for you guys. Okay. Let's see here. I really want to kill them very slowly. Just kill them all, if that's possible. I would want to do that. I'm really gonna try and do that. Well, that's right. Great. It actually worked. Oh my god. What a great thing. Oh, I guess we should examine this shit.
Great. There's gotta be something that'll get through this. Maybe
I'm sorry that
chainsaw
you
or
ain't gonna
something.
see all of this episode. But anyway, sorry about it. Ain't you supposed to come here now? There's something with that if you kill the Peggy, something happens. As far as I remember. Oh, okay. Oh shit. Okay. I got it. You want to kill me. Fine. No. I have nothing to kill the guy with. That is perfect. It's all your fault. I can pick this up because why not? Do this first. Otherwise, I won't allow you to go down. Okay. This is taking a long time. God damn it. Finally. Okay. Nice. Well, nice jump there. Just really wish to. Kill the piggy, the guy comes. Okay, I guess you're the piggy then. Okay, now you can go. God damn it. Oh, okay, he came. Ooh. Oh my god! You can go up the fucking stairs? Are you kidding me? Fucking god. I really hope he's gonna get trapped in that bear trap. Yes! And now, he will say boom boom, right? No, don't run before him! Oh my god. Why? The fuck did that? Oh no, what's happening? I don't know. He really came. Oh god! Yes. Thank you. Thank you a lot. Can I get to do that? I don't even need it. Kick it. Okay. Oh shit. Oh my god. What? This game's kind of taking apart in seconds. Fuck, you even see me. I want to go so much. I have no idea what it actually does. Well, that helped. Oh, no, no, no. Not gonna die. Why did you do that so slow? Now you're dead. Oh, you ain't. Well, it's not your fucking fault, that's for fucking sure. Yep. Oh, no, 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 you're not gonna fucking kill me. 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 Okay, 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 okay. Now I just want to fucking kill people. Oh, what the fuck?
How did you get it open so quickly?
You're welcome to give it a try.
Please, time is of the essence. It is imperative we find Leslie before anything should happen to him.
I thought Leslie was... Never mind. Okay. You found me. You did. The fuck are you doing? You're blocking my way, bitch. Oh shit. Got. Ooh, I can burn you. Come on. Burn! Burn, bitch. Okay. I don't get a single shit. That's fucking great. Okay. But we have to try our best now to get to the point of killing that bitch before he does anything to us. Why do they come all the time? Hey! How? Why the fuck? Can I push him down or something like that here? I hope I can. Really hope I can. Okay, okay. I can't do shit. Fuck. Okay, come here, come here. Ah, hello you. I just want you to fucking go die in a fucking hole and just no, you're not gonna kill me. Nope. It's just not gonna happen. Did I trap that bitch? Nope, didn't. Oh shit! Ugh. Let's try. Fuck. Not gonna die. I can fucking tell you I'm not gonna die. Good, good, it's on. Come on. Okay. Think straight now, Thomas. Okay. Think straight. Fuck you. Woo! This is my chance to kill this guy. Woo! Come on! Yes, and... die already! Please! Just give me that.
I better hold on to this.
Yeah. Please tell me that I have some. Fuck it, I'm gonna take it. The fuck? Why is it in the wall? Shit was. Finally. Yeah. Caught it. Caught it. Yes. Thank you. Better hold on to this, and then you throw it. And then it's fucking gone. Okay.
Wait! Over here! Wait, officer. You must take me with you.
Detective Castellanos.
Leslie should be just ahead. It is imperative that we find him.
Oh, it feels so good. Save that shit. News law. No! Well, actually, fine. I don't care. Okay. So that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I had a lot of fun playing, except not. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and see you in hopefully the next one. Bye.